everyone, welcome back. Today, wow, I promise you're not ready for what you're about to see. Because this insanely futuristic Mercedes camper might just be the most shocking thing rolling into 2026. And trust me, once you step inside, you'll understand why people are already calling it the rolling penthouse of the future. You've seen motorhomes, you've seen luxury RVs, but you have never seen something that blends super yacht elegance, Mercedes engineering, and sci-fi design the way this one does. And if you think the outside looks wild, the interior is going to hit you like a plot twist. So buckle in, because we're taking a full walkthrough of one of the most talked about campers of the upcoming era. From design, to features, to power, to real-world usability. This is the one everyone's whispering about. And you're about to see why. Let's begin right where the shock usually starts. The exterior. At first glance, this thing looks less like an RV and more like a luxury spacecraft that somehow found its way onto American highways. The triple-axle stance gives it this grounded, confident, almost dominant look, like it's carved out of one giant block of metal. The body lines aren't boxy or clunky like traditional motorhomes. They curve and sweep like a Maybach concept car. And that two-tone white, black, and gold finish? It's basically a warning sign to every other RV brand that Mercedes came to show off. Even the front end hits different. A massive panoramic windshield, LED signature lighting straight out of the future, and that smooth over-cab loft design that looks aerodynamic, enough to slice through a storm. If you saw this in your rearview mirror, you'd swear a luxury jet was trying to pass you. But the exterior is just the appetizer, because once you slide open the door, the whole tone of the video changes. The moment you step inside, it feels like you left Earth and entered the VIP lounge of a billionaire's private yacht. Cream white leather everywhere, gold-lined accents, ambient lighting that makes the whole cabin glow like it's floating. Dark wood flooring polished to perfection. And the giant panoramic windows? They don't just show the outside world. They frame it like artwork. The living area is small, but that's the trick. It's small in the smartest way possible. The L-shaped sofa wraps around like a luxury hotel corner suite. There's a carbon fiber dining table that folds away like magic. And above you, hidden in the ceiling, a 55-inch OLED that drops down only when you want it. Everything is soft, layered, warm, and unbelievably premium. Move a little further in, and the kitchen hits you with the same vibe. White Korean counters, gold faucet, hidden fridge, induction cooktop, glossy cabinets that look more like interior design pieces than storage. There's even a panoramic window, right? Above the counter. So while you're cooking, you're staring out at mountains, forests, or wherever your road takes you. It's a tiny kitchen, but it's packed like a high-end apartment in downtown Manhattan. And then you get to the rear bedroom, and this is where people usually go silent. A king-size island bed in a camper with a leather-upholstered headboard and gold trimming, surrounded by soft ceiling LEDs that give it that nighttime luxury yacht glow, mirror-sliding wardrobes, soft Alcantara on the ceiling, and a massive rear window that makes waking up look like a movie scene. Snowy mountains, deserts, forests. Whatever is behind you becomes your morning wallpaper. Even the bathroom is ridiculous. Not RV bathroom ridiculous. I mean spa on wheels ridiculous. Marble look walls, gold fixtures, rain shower, illuminated mirror, vessel sink. You could walk someone in here and they wouldn't believe this was inside a camper. Everything about the interior screams one message: 2026 is not the year of camping. It's the year of rolling luxury living. But let's talk performance, because looking good means nothing if it drives like a fridge on wheels. Mercedes built this on a heavily upgraded Sprinter platform. But don't let that fool you. The power delivery is smooth, quiet, and confident. The handling, especially with the triple-axle setup, feels planted and stable, even when the wind wants to play games. It pulls strong, climbs hills with ease, and cruises like a luxury SUV. And because Mercedes knows their American audience, they tuned it for long-distance comfort. Cross-state trips? Easy. Mountain roads? Surprisingly good. Parking in Walmart lots? Still doable. Barely, but doable. Now, let's talk price, because this is where most people need to sit down. This isn't your $80,000 camper. It isn't even your $150,000 camper. With all the features, craftsmanship, and custom yacht-level touches, you're entering premium RV territory. Think in the ballpark of high-end luxury motorhomes. A serious investment, but built for people who want to live, travel, and explore without ever sacrificing comfort. And honestly, looking at what it offers, you start understanding why people say it's worth every penny. And here's the thing. In the era of 2026, where RVs are getting smarter, cleaner, more efficient, and more design-forward, this camper sets the tone. It's the blueprint, the model everyone else is now trying to catch up to. And it proves that the future of travel doesn't have to be rough, cramped, or basic. It can be luxurious, warm, beautiful, and outrageously comfortable. So whether you're a weekend camper, a full-time traveler, or just someone who loves incredible design, this Mercedes camper is something you have to see to believe. It's not a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, and maybe even a dream on wheels. If you enjoyed the walkthrough, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you take this camper across the US if money was no object? Where would your first trip be? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.